Hi, this is Terry Stevenson of the Builderall team, and in this video we're going to learn how to create a website using a blank page template. I'm here on the home page, and as you can see, I have a lot of the Builderall tools already on my desktop. Don't forget, you can add these tools and remove them as you see fit. And you can also move them around just by clicking and dragging them. So that way, the tool that you're using is easy and accessible to you anytime. I also want to point out, we can enter the Cheetah Builder. That's what we're going to use to build our website, the new builder, Cheetah's drag and drop website builder. And we can open the Cheetah Builder up through this button here. But we can also come to the top menu and hover over the apps. And that opens up the big menu that lists all of the apps that you have available to you. And I find myself, I probably use this more often now because I know where they're located on this big menu. Either way is fine. But for now, I'm going to come over here to the Builders column and click on the Cheetah Builder and open it up here. Now, when you first open up the Cheetah Builder, you won't have websites like I do here in my training site, both published and unpublished. You'll just find blank canvas and this Create New Site. You'll have a couple of those buttons for published and unpublished. You'll see several other options on this menu. You'll see we also have a Create New Site button here. But before we do that, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about these other options here. You'll see this is our website tab, but we also have a tab called Mirror Websites. And I don't have any mirror websites in this account. We can talk more about what a mirror website is and how you would use it in another lesson. Just briefly, a mirror website is a website that you build and you interlink with tags so that when you edit them, it can edit them across a population of copies that you have elsewhere on the internet. But like I say, we'll talk more about that. Come back here to website. You'll also see that we have a Create Tag Group button. And this is where you're going to come to create tag groups for your different websites. Perhaps a tag group for a specific product or a tag group for a specific website or client. You'll learn more about tags. Moving to the right, we have a Create Category where you can categorize your website. You might want to create categories for niches or personal or business. And to create those categories, click on this button and it'll open up all of the websites that you've already created as well and save them to a particular category. I'm just going to click Cancel. To the right of that is a button that says Order By, and this is how you can select the order of your websites on your list here down below. You can order them alphabetically from A to Z or from Z to A. You can order them by the creation date, ascending, or the creation date, descending. And down here at the bottom of the list is Edition. And when you choose Edition, that will order them according to the last time something was edited on a page. It will be pulled to the top. So it's really useful if you have other people editing a website and you want to see the last thing that was done. You can sort it by edition. But of course, the best part is that we have a complete search bar here too. So if you know at least part of the name, like for here, if I put in quick, it's going to pull up quick tips for new mothers. I think that's the name of it. Yes. So that's a real quick overview of these options. And I want to draw your attention to here we have created a sort. I'm just going to go back, remove that search so I can have my full websites available to me now.